Hello, my name is Thelusma. I'm a shipper receiver and I'm on my way to become a Linux system administrator. Is it easy to be a shipper receiver? No, it's not. Is it my dream? No, it is not. But like right now, I'm about to pursue my career by becoming a Linux system administrator, and I'm on my way, and I'm telling you, I'm enjoying it already. It is fun. It is a world full of anything you can think of. Like, okay, it's not easy. I'm not gonna say it's 100% easy, but it's entertaining. Every single day you learn new things. That's how Linux works. There's a path to everything. And this is exactly what I'm doing. I've always dreamed of becoming an IT guy, and now I can say that I'm proud. I'm proud for jumping into it. I'm proud because I stopped wasting time, because I've been thinking of, oh, can I make it? Oh, maybe I'm gonna have to spend 4 years in school, stuff like that. But I'm telling you today, it's not true. Right now, I acquire much more knowledge, I can say, than even some people who've been into this field for more than 10 years. If I didn't do that, I'll be regretted today. Shipping, receiving, and Linux, it wasn't an easy because it is like two different worlds. But there's one thing, I've always wanted to be an IT guy. I've always wanted that. So I know the challenge were there, but my dream to become a Linux sysadmin was bigger than all this fear of, am I gonna make it? How am I gonna make it? So yeah. So one thing I can tell you, guys, you don't have to wait. The more you wait, the more harder it will be. You're gonna think like it's gonna take me a long time. But yeah, it was my case. And I'm telling you, it's not. It's not gonna take you that much time you're thinking of. You can be like, okay, I have a family to take care of. Your family will be proud of you. Like my family is proud of me right now for becoming, someone else for pursuing my dream. Now they are prouder than me. Now they trust me. They listen to me when I'm talking now.